Hello everybody and welcome to the video. So what we have here today is the third Craftmade ceiling fan. I want to eventually put my Broadway Limited here, the IntelliTouch one. Same thing as all the others, wood sideband, same color blades. Yeah, I know that yellow wall is terrible, I don't like it. But yeah, start the light. And then we'll go to light 2. Dim it down. Alright, let's go to low. Don't really have much to say about this fan since I already made a video of the two others and I talked about it all in those videos. So, but one thing I will mention is that this fan is not DC, it is 3-speed reversible. No idea what motor it uses, but not a DC one. Go to medium. Now go to high. Turn the light on. Okay. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.